All right, let's save the playlist and get into the design part. So at the top, you've got the presentation tab. We're doing an album page. So it's a template that we can fill out. Here's the album artwork. So we want to add that. I'm going to go find it. I'd select the artist profile. Okay, so you have to add an artist profile. It's automatically adding the image from that profile. If I hadn't set up the profile already, then I could add the image here or there. The release date, let's pretend that's the 30th of September. You can add their bio in, so let's just paste it. It could also be the press release, all the information that you want your recipients to be able to read through while they're listening to the tracks. If I haven't added all the social links on that artist profile, I can add them here. And then you can choose videos, either a video that you've uploaded already to the Disco account, or you can add your YouTube. So you just go to your YouTube video page, copy the URL from the address bar, and paste it in. And that's exactly the same for Vimeo. I like to show lyrics. You take the time to put them in. It's nice for the recipients to be able to read them. Save the playlist. There's a share link. So you can immediately share that with your people. So that is a Disco page. You get all of your assets and everything onto one page. So it makes everyone's life simpler when they're working with you and your files.